Welcome back to Schools Challenge Quiz 2020. It's the 29th match in round 1. And the scores are Glenmuir High on 25 points and Ferncourt High on 9 points. Now let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will of course lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question is from Bible knowledge. What animal did Samson kill on his way to Timnah? Glenmuir.
Young lion.
A long lion.
A young lion.
Correct. Biology. What is the name for long chains of simple sugars linked together by Glenmuir?
Polysaccharide.
Polysaccharide.
Correct. Like acidic bonds. English language, does the word ameliorate mean deteriorate, improve? Glenmuir?
Improve.
Improve.
Correct. International affairs, it's a visual question, teams. Please look on the screen and identify the person. Glenmuir.
Stefan Löfven.
Yes, that's correct. As the PM of Sweden. Chemistry. What is the electronic configuration for sodium? Glenmuir.
281.
281.
281.
Is correct. Music and audio question, teams. Listen to the clip and give the title of the song. Glenmuir.
No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry.
Correct. General knowledge. In chess, fianchetto is a term for the development of which piece? The answer is the bishop. Spanish. Which kitchen equipment is la licuadora? Glenmuir.
Blender.
Blender.
Correct. Geography. What is the approximate latitude of Trinidad and Tobago? It's 10.7 degrees north. Theatre and cinema, it's a visual question, teams. Look at the screen, please, and identify the person. Glenmuir.
Sylvester Stallone.
Sylvester Stallone.
Is correct. Information technology. What is the name for a hardware or software component that temporarily stores data so that it can be more speedily retrieved when required at a later time? We're looking for cache. History. What civilization ruled what is now Mexico and northern Glenmuir?
Aztecs.
Aztecs.
No, what is now Mexico and northern Central America until around 1600s, and that's the Mayas that we're looking for. Mathematics. If x equals 3, y equal minus 2, and z equal 4, what is xy minus xz? Glenmuir.
Negative 18.
Correct. Physics. What is a physical quantity that is completely described by its magnitude called? Glenmuir?
Scalar.
Scalar.
Correct. Sports or visual question, teams. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Glenmuir.
Andrea Pirlo.
Correct. Professional footballer there. Jamaican heritage. Which town in Jamaica is known as the shrimp capital? Glenmuir.
Middle quarters.
Middle quarters.
Correct. Shrimp capital of Jamaica. French. What items of clothing are la chaussette? Ferncourt.
Shoes.
No socks. Literature. Which Shakespearean play features the characters of Goneril, Regan, and Cordelia? King Lear. Art. The Last Judgment was the first painting of which Italian? Michelangelo. Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible begins with these words? In the 8th month, in the 2nd year of Darius? Glenmuir.
Daniel. Daniel.
No, Zechariah. And with that bell, it's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Glenmuir High on 45 points, Ferncourt High on 7 points. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.